Etie for me mamoni akwa eba Melodies TV so story be aba was say ye twe nkomo efa na mamoni say a lot of the times I report on defilement criminal activities ni nyama na this is one of those things na ka yenia asem no eba ye no na ka bia ye bebo papa nechi because papa no ye jeli no wo ye wo bia na wo ye account clerk and Rebecca say accountant Emma a particular school ye did defilement eto ne so say wako ene akola bi 12-year-old akola bi akoda just say wato akola ne mona embra akola no ekọ eye accountant yi ho say wo kwa akotua ne school fees ena tre say akola ne sie say accountant yi eche ne hye ne office a oto ne mona asem we are making 11 years ago 7 years ago asem papa ye chi ne tum ye friend Charles Trumisi we di 38 this year na that time na asem ni si ye na we di 31 na ye de no call court na ye de no call court no na evidence en sheda eni ho but the son say ye de ato ne so say akola no na e ka say wo ne na da wo ka bia ye mfi no ma papa no ye chi no ekotu mu for 15 good years. You can say one quarter in Fiase for 15 good years. Say we defile a 12-year-old people. E wo school one no papa no ye juma e wo. Say na me din kan tell no. Asem way asem be betumi ato obia. These things happen in this country. Ebi mo wo ha, ebi aye de to omo so class say wo mo ye armed robbers. So be wan say police akwa akochi omo. Meanwhile those people are not armed robbers. Intino the same thing and to papa we. Say akola 12 year akokata ne mame say wo Mr. Charles who accountant and wato ne mona wo mo ye den they don't have evidence, they don't have anything but say me to me che papa ni two mu with no evidence no and no na me ya Ghana has say court any police so I don't know what happened inti papa no ekode mu and na say 15 years na papa no mate ne numu asema wo kan and say Okode mu for a year 15 years ade a one year ye de ato ne so no ono de okan ne say nyankopon say wo se woti ase pa unnim pefe say ade we me nyeye say wo se woti ase a nyankopon ma yenyi mi emfree ha ma me serve all the 15 years no make na papa yi wo ba akola ketwa around that time na ne ba no edi be 6 years ni baswa say ye de papa ekokotu mu arehosem ne yere ne ba ne fiefo obi esu because omo ni papa we ni aka say da bi papa we enya sa na ote ye ken bia police for ne ntie na court ka say won ko dem for 15 years tie for na eno na say wo dem o say won wo ko prison no na say church just like outside Ghana as sorry bebre e wo no so ko prison no so sa churches bebre e wo ho inti no boye no say wode no bakwa ko hye me adwuma mu inti wode no ko hye mu every day or bompa ya tra nyankopon say nyankopon we mesre you will be number boame e ho na wonya lawyer bia waka say wo be boa no e na e de asem no ekọ appeals court e de asem no ekọ appeals court no judges 3 e na tena asem ne ho asem no bedu omonima wo mo hwe asem na no mo say na asem be ni because evidence amode chi papa we too mu say won go down fiase for 15 years no we share evidence na papa no wanya hwe e ba ne say na based on this evidence mutumi echi wo biba etum for 15 years e wa ade a wonye ye into the 3-member panel of the court no e reveal assembly mu e ma wo mu say that be evidence na ye de chi papa ne too mu e ye distorted kra e ye deliberately distorted. Na say evidence no say papa na nya hwe na so say police fo say first court na echi ni two mo say den yo wo ma hyeda ma asem na beto papa no so meanwhile evidence no track clearly say nya papa no e na appeals court ne ka say da bi send your papa mo ama na kodem mo say won kodem 15 years enya hwe we twa 7 years every ahaya kona emra wo mo court no o say forthwith just say enimu haya munyi papa no film no won ko fie e na papa no enije bae and our car say, hey, Yankopon Tiase, at least in Paiboa, boy, say, Yankopon say, what Tiase plan? So 15 years, he may mammy serve to will be no one but one, and I mean, yin, just a yin film, no, ne crack, in Paiboa, boy, and Yankopo, tien the pepper, just a pepper. And our papa bonti a walk asa. It's me to wanna make us say, hey, it's here for send me a man so I am a deba say, oh, yes, we are could defile way, am I achinatum, yes, we are could defile way. It be able to me about say, most of the stories are now some of the stories we even report can it be an and see it. But I don't know what is happening. And this same thing, last year, is here, Mammy Bia. What man sorry? Like I said, me mammy. Because you're quite sorry when you see me. Old school, only school. It's here last year, sir. I don't put the prophecy by Ewa, sorry. Mammy didn't put on only the end of prophecy one day, year revival, and a prophecy by say, school now or only no. In Crofobi, Eshe Sumasi, a woman person, one more assembled to my minister, no woman school no. Into your man, I can't dress a 1 year. And a man a year can't train a bonfire. You were one say, Akolabi, and also will school ho. Just say, in some line, say, Yatunimuna, it was school nimu. And also, Akola say 11 years or say, they in primary school, Akola. Say, Yatunimuna, just say, Sana, Omode Asani by, and Asani ko Pio, Adom FM, Captain Smart, so I same way mu. Hey, because Akolani parents, Aquako who Captain Smart, Captain Smart and investigation was so assembly ma will interview a young mamina will come in sorry no mamina can no more sem but send na Captain Smart take asano na yako yes dabi Captain Smart there was accept to say Akolana ne mamia asema wo mo dia ba Adom FM hono wo mo asem ye de nti Captain Smart wrote off a young mamina wo me sorry no the sense mamina wo me sorry no osofu hu ka kire ni nti no wono de wa bo ho mpaye and I say waka se wo jama nyame ye wo ho ame se Akola na nkasa ne numasem Akola na asem a wasan so abeka ene se na adena wo de to school de so no enye ne kre na eye ne maame mo ene share da share ase se won fa sansem ne bra bonten etiefo we enye se wo bi si o me se Akola na nkasa numasem Akola nkasa afei Akola ne ba bonten be yesa no Captain Smart ya afei wo hu se ne obeka asem ne biom wo hu se ne obeka asem no but you see obi sa no ego he couldn't even apologize when to me se ne asem ne ba ya frame maame no e de asem ne to eye maame ne so school owner no asem ne ba ya Akola ne beka se eye ne maame ne parents ne hye ye so mo nhye dan nye sa no when to me amba bonten ambeka se oh etiefo e na me ba be ye interview bi when to me amba ambeka and you see that was something a man still parents na parents ka ebe yi omumba efi school ni mo na ko mu be yi omumba efi school ni inti Akola na ka saba bonten na parents ka say say de na maame na wo only school wo ka ne say ye ne kre you see inti no make we ka kan hu bi e na ne make say I believe in prophecies no because it was a prophecy I remember very well it was a prophecy at church and ye de maame no and ye ka say ni inti ombo mpaye ena obo mpaye na nyame eyi no efiri mu inti no for me I have seen something like this before and now no be so say me nko echika last 2 years mo kai Kumasi police for kobo nkrofo 6 bitio ekun omo ewo Kumasi abo police for ku omo we na police for share that dey etu okoto nkrofo ne ho say nkrofo no mo ye armed robbers o man panyin ma ye investigation o mu hu say da bi nkrofo no mo nya armed robbers na afei na e wo say ye be man nkrofo ne family no obia 2 billion we kum omo de share kwa abemo obia 2 billion it happened last 2 years so things like this it happens in this country when some be say eye sisi e wo man we mu eye sisi pa ye de assemble to obi so to say wo ka enye ye say na no bi so sa asonyane obi akwa akosira obi a wo ko gina kwan ho akwa akofa ne car e ho a police wa ba be che no say wo ye armed robber wo kan de numu asem bia ye mfi no ye de no court so will be ni mo ye see ye command a life imprisonment. Hey, in Ghana say ni ye sa ade we ya eye enu huti na nanse ya eye Kelvin Taylor aba bonten aba be ye video ka say senior Ghana judicial system no ase wo mo de ye nko mo asem ase wo mo de wo mo make mistake adenti na executive and the legislature wo mo ya ade na anya ye ni ayetumi ba bonten e be kaseti ase hey president de oye na enye hey parliament de mo ye na enye but akoya say judiciary ne de when ya ade na ba bonten be kapaya ye be chill contempt womo de womo kan final womo de womo kan final waka se yanchi obi ntumu a final whether adena the buy no evidence wo na evidence ni because papa you heard asem it's here for just put yourself in the shoes of this man. You've wasted 7 years. Maybe papa na can sue the state. Or say papa ni sue the state because 7 good years mama na brabo say Ghana sisi so okwa konye ejuma o so okope ejuma o se den yo yes ye na film mum but still one say ni din one say ni reputation and this thing it happened to a Ghanaian pastor just say it's here for instead of and to na menye say it doesn't exist to e wo ho pa but to na ento dan yankopon say ento ye because look at this thing without proper evidence based on the judgment a court na without any proper evidence what you will be about to keke for 15 good years 15 I'm not 7 almost half hey omani say ni era ni no esremo esa na ka innocent people nkwa and wokọ prisoner ngofo come story actually wa obo say hey chale no say chale innocent people innocent. And here for Montreal, comment box, me that say.